Hi, I'm Idhansh and I'm 12 years old. Today, I'll be talking about creating connections in new environments. How not just fitting in, but belonging. Have you ever experienced the feeling of being uprooted? Just like this plant, you've finally settled in, but you've suddenly been uprooted and planted into a completely new and different environment, and you have to start all over again. Well, I have experienced these feelings, and believe me, these aren't good feelings. Let me share with you a story about me. It was the last week of the holidays, and I was changing schools. My mind was racing faster than an F1 car. What would those kids think about me? Would they like me? It was nerve wracking. The week passed by like a second, and before I knew it, it was the first day of school. I didn't know what to say. I felt butterflies in my stomach. Did I even exist in their minds? At lunch, I started sitting with people I barely knew, just to fit in. I didn't talk to them. When playing sports, I stood there without a clue on how to play. I was not enjoying school. And then, things took a turn. I started signing up for clubs and teams I actually liked, such as cricket, which I love playing. From the moment I joined, it was a journey of belonging. Here, I found a place, I felt comfortable, and I started looking forward to these clubs and teams. I started communicating and socializing with others. After getting to know the people in these clubs and teams, I started sitting with them at lunch. Before, I was pretending to have fun, but now I was really enjoying. I have now created friends and I now continue to create new ones. I have now realized what these experiences have taught me. Accept change and embrace it. This change has made me strong. Now, while I might have overcome these problems, several kids still face them. All these children feel lonely, overwhelmed, and confused, just like I did. According to US Center for Disease Control and Prevention, loneliness can lead to several challenges such as chronic diseases, facing discrimination, having limited access to sources, facing unemployment, and being a victim of crime. According to World Health Organization, loneliness is linked to an estimated 100 deaths every hour. As per University of Melbourne, a 2017 report found that 1 in 10 preschoolers say they're lonely, 1 in 5 aged 7 to 12, and 1 out of 3 adolescents. According to United Nations School of Hanoi, when moving places, children experience several emotions such as sadness and frustration, leading to loneliness, homesickness, a longing for what they left behind, and confusion. All these can affect their self esteem. Now, let's get rid of all this negative energy and come up with some solutions. It's not easy to socialize. We all take our time to make friends. One solution to cure loneliness is to sit all by yourself in a dark room and watch a horror movie. You won't feel like you're lonely anymore. Just kidding. Let's start with some real solutions. If you're feeling lonely, you could join clubs and teams just like I did. You might find that the people here understand you more as you share the same interests with them. When moving places, you can set personal goals. Often during this time, you might find you have a lot of free time on you. Setting goals and achieving them will boost your confidence and pass your time. Now, for this next solution, you need to be brave. Your challenge is to start a conversation with the person you don't know much. It can be your neighbor you don't talk to, it can be a person in your class you don't know much, it can be anyone. While this may sound simple, it can take many people a lot of courage to start a conversation. Go on, I challenge you, because this small conversation can lead to a close relationship or friendship. If you're not lonely, that doesn't mean there's nothing you can do. There's a lot you can do actually, and it's not that hard. You can invite them to play with you, or you can sit with them at lunch, or you can even talk to them for a few minutes. These small actions can make you a superhero. To make it simple, you can use the Bloom framework. B. Be brave. Smile. Say hi. Courage plants the first seed of friendship. L. Listen. Listen to understand, not respond. O. Open up. Share your stories. O. Observe. See who's left out. M. Make a move. Invite, include, initiate. Don't be scared of change because every new beginning starts with the end of another beginning. And we can't control where life plants us, but we can control how deeply we root and how brightly we grow. Thank you.